Hi everyone, this is Sandy Martin's Toner, and today I'm going to be doing a little tutorial on how to create a welcome or rank advancement slide using our PowerPoint rank advancement document. Once you have the rank advancement PowerPoint document saved to your desktop, and you can get that from your team leader, you're going to go ahead and open up um, that document, and you can choose the slide. Whatever slide you choose will be dependent on which rank your downline is coming in on, and those choices can be made right here through these slides. So right now in Volition we have the 1-star, the 2-star, the 3-star, and the 3-star elite available. And sorry, let me just do that so we won't get all these pop-ups happening. But there are going to be some new rank advancements that are going to be introduced within Volition. Oh, and I just noticed that I don't have the Volition thing on that one, so I'm going to fix that later. So what you're going to do is you're going to choose the slide. Let me just grab this here. I'll do that later. So let's say they're coming in as a 3-star member into our team. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you ask that person or grab their profile photo from their Facebook account. And the easiest way to do that is to just go directly to their Facebook page. So here, let's use mine for now. And you're just going to click on their Facebook profile picture, and when you do that, it's going to take you directly to that image. And most people are that are using a Facebook profile picture, or if they don't have one, just ask them to send you one via email or right on Facebook. So once that photo or that image is bigger on the screen, you're just going to right click on that image and click Save Image As. Sorry, it's running really slow because I'm recording this. I wanted to try and make this as short as possible, but of course the computer's always lagging because I've got all these programs open up here. So once this picture opens up, you're just going to click right on the outer edge of the image. You're going to right click, a drop down box will open up, and once that opens up, you're going to click Save Image As. So I think it's going to show up now, maybe. So there's that image that I want to use for the welcome. So I'm just going to go ahead and right click the drop down box, and then, oh, of course it's not. Got to go to the actual image here. So you want it to be big on your screen. Right click right on the outer part of the image, and you don't want it within that square. You've got to be able to say, it's got to say Save Image As. You're going to go ahead and click Save Image As and save the image to your desktop. You can name it if you want, but just put it on your desktop, so that's the easiest place to find it. I'm going to go ahead and close Facebook now so that I can free up some of the resources on my computer. So I'm going to go ahead up here and click on Insert. When you do that, you're going to see this here picture. So click on that. It's going to ask you where you want to find your picture. I know that I've saved this onto my desktop, and I'm just going to check out my desktop here. And there, let's just say it's one of these. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one. You're going to have to resize this image to fit into that square. So go ahead and get it as close as possible. And just by clicking on the picture and using these little tabs, get it into this little square to cover up the blue sky. And once you've got it just almost perfect, like that, that's good enough. You're going to right click on the image and you're going to hit Send Backwards. And that's going to send the image to the back. Oop, nope, not send back. Try that again. I don't know why that's disappearing. Maybe I have to click on save, send backward. And when you do that, what happens is the airplane and the stars sit above it. So that's great. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add that person's name and where they're from to this. And you're just going to go ahead and click insert or go back home. And you're going to click insert text box. So click on that. You're going to come right to about here under the welcome and create a text box that's about that big. We're going to go up here and change the font color. I really love how this electric blue matches. I'm going to bring this up, change the font size to about 36. And I'm going to change the font style because I really like how the copper plate Gothic looks. You don't have to use cap locks. It's all in cap locks. So I'm going to go ahead and enter the name of the person that is joining as a 3-star. Once you've done the name, hit enter. It's going to go underneath and enter the location of where this person is. And then you can highlight it all and hit center. And there you go. The most important steps to this now is when you go to save this, because you just want to save this image onto your desktop so that you can upload it onto the Facebook pages to welcome your new person. You're going to click File, Save As. I always rename this file, so I'm going to name it Sandy 3-star and leave like that. And you have to change this to JPEG. So just click on that, find JPEG file interchange format. Click, I want to save it to my desktop so I can find it easily. Hit save, and it says it already exists. Do you want to replace it? I've obviously got a file with the same name, so I'm going to change this because I don't want to replace what I've got on there. So I'm going to name it Sandy Rank Up. Again, going here, JPEG file, hit save, saving to my desktop, and you want to hit current slide only so it doesn't save everything on this file. And then it's gonna be saved onto my desktop so I can minimize this, and there she is. Okay, and then what you want to do when you go to close this up, so I'm done, I don't need this anymore, I'm going to close this. You want to make sure that it says, do you want to save changes you made to Volishon welcome rank advancement? If you click save, it's going to save this in here permanently, so you want to make sure you click don't save, and then it goes back to the original. So if I were to open it up again, it's going to be the original with no images in there, and that's really important that you do that. If you're doing a whole bunch in succession, sometimes I've got 2 or 3 rank advancements to do all at the same time, I go ahead and enter them all without closing it every single time. Remove that person's picture, put in the new picture, enter the new information, and go from there. And then you would just, again, close it, and it's going to say, do you want to save? And you click don't save. So I hope that this has helped you understand how to create a rank advancement and welcome slide.